Hi there. I'm Wendy White, biz dev strategist for extraordinary entrepreneurs. I know that you're not the typical online entrepreneur, and I am not your typical online business coach. Let me guess. They've told you that you need to be visible, that you need to blog and live stream and podcast. You need to master videos and challenges and quizzes and emails and advertising. You need to publish a book. You need to get speaking gigs. You need to get featured in the media. Also, by the way, in all that free time, you need to conquer Facebook and YouTube and Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter and Pinterest and now TikTok. So I bet that you're running around like a crazy thing, working your sweet patootie off on all the attention getting. But here's my question for you. Is anyone actually hiring you? See, there are a ton of people who will happily tell you what you need to do to attract attention. But very few of them can actually explain how any of that attention leads to butts in the seats. There is always this monstrous and mysterious gap between all of that attention and actually getting hired to do the work that you love. Way too many talented entrepreneurs are caught in this gap, and they're wasting time and money and energy on all of the marketing things, hoping that somehow it's all going to come together. But hope is not a plan, and getting attention is not the same as getting hired. And that is where I come in, because I am not your typical online business coach. Because unlike all of those fluffpreneurs who seem to think that visibility is the holy grail, and that all you need to do to have a successful business is add some more sparkles and attitude, I know it's not enough to get attention. If you're not getting hired by enough of those ideal clients, it's not so much a business you have as a ridiculously expensive hobby. And I want better for you, don't you? Unlike all those online business coaches who never even worked in a business before they started telling other people how to run theirs, I spent over a decade in international sales and business development. I helped small, unknown businesses just like yours to win clients in extremely competitive markets in the US, in Latin America, and in Europe in real life before I took this expertise online in 2014. This means I approach things differently. I draw on real world business development strategies to help you connect with your audience and convert them into clients. Yes, I absolutely want you to get attention, but the right kind. Not from a horde of freebie zombies, but from real live paying clients. And I want you to get attention for the right things. All of that visibility that you're working on is a giant waste of time if, like most coaches and consultants, the message you're putting out is unclear and confusing and, frankly, sounds just like everyone else. You need a message that is unique and confident and compelling so that all of that attention getting actually leads to getting hired. So that all of that marketing you are working so hard on finally pays off. Literally. This is what I help my clients do. And it's why my client results aren't typical either. Maria, the first time she shared her new message, she got not one, but two people to coming to her to plunk down $5,500 to consult with her when she had been floundering in indecision about her business for years. Katya's new message got her completely booked out with a waiting list after years of not making any headway with her coaching business. And Jenny, well, within days of nailing her message, she sold her brand new $2,500 program and then got 6 more clients inside of a month, going on to triple her business when she had been on the verge of walking away from her decades-long coaching practice for good. So, if you are tired of not getting hired by enough of those crave-worthy clients, if you've been making your mark, but now you really need to make it rain, if the effort that your business requires isn't sustainable anymore and your level of frustration is mounting, click on the link to find out how you can finally make the extraordinary impact and the income that you're craving. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing strategies like this every week. Hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, go be extraordinary.